Welcome back. Two horrific incidents occurred in Salsette on Thursday. Robbers decamped with cash of Rs 8,000 and gold amounting to Rs 1,50,000 rupees. The thieves fled with an Activa of the house owner. The robbery took place at Raya. Meanwhile, one worker, Hussein Chakravar, died after falling off the fourth floor of a construction. Another worker is badly injured and is admitted to Hospicio Hospital. This incident occurred at Chandravada in Fatorda.
A bungalow in Kolevado, Raya was robbed. The robbers decamped with cash of 80,000 rupees and gold amounting to 1,50,000 rupees. The robbers entered the house through a ventilator. The robbers fled from the kitchen. They also robbed an Activa parked outside the bungalow. Maina Kurturi police are investigating the case.
सगळे शोधून मेला फक्त कॅश आणि गोल्ड आता ॲक्टिवा मेळ्ळी जाल्यार देन अदरवायज म्हणजे 1.5 लाख जातले फुल घरान प्रत्येक रूम तांणी विजीट केला म्हणजे टायम खूब काडला आणि मनीसूय मोर दॅन 2-3 आसपा जाय ते ॲक्टिवा घेवन गेले म्हणटो मिनिमम 3 तरी आसतलेच आसतले हय वतना ॲक्टिवाची बंचासून ॲक्टिवाचीच चावी घेवन गेल्या सेंट्रोची चावी सेंट्रोकूच दवरली ती गाडी उगडून पळयली आणि नॅनो न्यू आशिल्ली ताची चावी घेवन गेले ती नॅनो व्हरूं ना ती हालयणें शक्य नाशिल्लें कित्याक नॅनो तेकून सेंट्रो आशिल्ली फाटल्यान सेंट्रो क्वायट ओल्ड ॲक्टिवाय ओल्डूच अशी न्ही की ॲक्टिवा न्यू पूण फायर बरयल्या.
Meanwhile, a worker died after he fell off the fourth floor of a construction in Fatorda. Another worker has received major injuries and was shifted to Hospicio Hospital in Margaon.
काम करपी मजूर हुसेन आणि सद्दाम शापरवान बोथ रेजिडेंट ऑफ मोतीडोंगर ते द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 25 to 26 इयर हे वयल्यान फोर्थ फ्लोरा वयल्या सज्जाचेर काम करतना ते वयल्यान पडले आनीक एकटो एक्सपायर जालो तितून हुसेन शापरवान म्हणटा तो हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटलान एक इंजर्ड आसा बरोबर हय आतां पंचनामा करून हे दिसता हांगा कांयच प्रिकॉशन घेतलेलें ना बिल्डरान सो इट शोज नेग्लिजन्स ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ बिल्डर द बिल्डर तो BM रियल स्टेट म्हणून तेजें आसता तेजी चवकशी चालू आहा फुडें सो वील टेक एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन इन दीस मॅटर.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
The families of victims of Coast Guard ship trawler mishap have not yet received a penny from the state. Kudbona Boat Owners Association is grumbling over government's delay in fulfilling the toll claims. Yellowgate Police probe report on the accident would be placed before the association within 8 days. On the issue of fishing ban, the association feels that there should be an uniform fishing ban period in Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra if government moves for 75 days ban.
Parikh has declared in the assembly that he needs a 75 days ban. But there's some misconnection between our MLAs who have been elected. Some say 65 days, 60 days, some say 45 days, some say 75 days. The government should make their firm decision as to what their ban should be. And some of the boat owners and some of the MLAs have something in mind that Karwar, this Karnataka boat owners or the fishing trawlers from Maharashtra, they will enter in our waters. But the real picture is that in Maharashtra, their fishing season starts only after August 15. And beyond, there's Honavar, I mean in Karnataka, there also fishing starts after August 15. So I think so the government of Goa should have a dialogue with the Karnataka Fisheries Department on this fishing ban. And they should have a uniform fishing ban for draw this coast up to Karnataka to Maharashtra and this side.
Patrick said that government has not moved an inch regarding relief or compensation to the bereaved fisherman families.
Same as promised the owner that he'll be giving it 2 lakhs to from the same relief fund to the workers who have been missing, gone dead. But so far nothing has been come from the government. So nothing. I think so. No paperwork has been done by the government still.
Association has lost hope of recovering the body of the 6th missing colleague.
But I think so. The 6th body which is yet to be found, probably I think so. Body will be there in the sea right now because it might be vanished.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.